आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे अल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/FB मुदस्सिर आलम पर देख सकते हैं। यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो विद हिंदी ऑडियो on my alternate channel youtube.com/FB मुदस्सिर आलम channel. Welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. I am here with an exclusive information, with an important information regarding the online registration process for CUET 2021. As you know, the central universities are participating in CUET 2022. If you are interested in application process, application of central universities, further in the video I am going to share all the details, so watch the video carefully. First of all, you have to visit the website cuet.samarth.ac.in. Once you will log in into this website, you can see all the details regarding the examination process of a common university entrance test. You can see the information bulletin, syllabus, universities, participating universities. You can see the list of the participating universities on alphabetical order. Central University of South Bihar is also participating in CUET 2022. You can see the application guide, frequently asked question, contact us. For application process, you have to register first. After registration, if you register once, you can sign. Then right now you cannot sign without registration process. Once you will click the register tab, you can see this page here. First of all, you will find the details like this. Once you will click this page, you will see this is the download information bulletin. I will suggest you to download the information bulletin, read all the instructions before applying. After that, you have to read all the instructions. I am installing the page. You can read all the points given regarding the application process. You can pause the video and read all the details regarding the registration process, application form, the size of the photograph, signature, and other details. Fee payment, this is the fee structure for various categories: general, OBC, WS, SC, ST, PWPD, third gender. After going through all the instruction process, you have to click this tab. Once you will click this tab, you can proceed here for further registration process. So you have to fill your name as per your 10th mark sheet certificate. After that, father's name, mother's name, guardian's name. Take extra care while you are entering the name. There should not be any mistake. Unless your candidature may be rejected, you may not get admission. Enter the correct date of birth as per your matriculation certificate, gender, nationality. Then you have to show your identity. You may choose any of the identity. If you are choosing PAN card, you have to enter the number of the PAN card. Then you can enter. You have to enter your present address. Enter your present address, the email ID, then mobile number. Always take care while entering email address as well as mobile number. You may not change the email address or mobile number later on, so take extra care. Do not make any mistakes. You have to carry on this email address and a mobile number up to the final process of admission, so fill these fields carefully. After that, permanent address, and then what is your permanent address, where you are residing, you have to enter here. Then you have to generate a password as per the guidelines given here, then security pin, and once you will enter all the details, then you can submit the form. After submission of form, you have to enter the application form. You have to fill the application form, fill the online application form, and after filling the application form, you have to pay the examination fee as per the details given in the previous document regarding the application fee. Whatever the examination fee, you have to deposit the examination fee. After depositing the examination fee, your application process will be completed, and after that you can appear in the examination of CUET, that will be combined test for central universities across India. For any confusion, for any doubt, you can download the information bulletin. You can check the syllabus. You can see the list of the universities. You can check the application guide, frequently asked question, and you can also contact in the email IDs and contact number. Later on, after application process, you can sign in and check all the details. That's all in this video. If you like this video, kindly like it, to share this video with others, subscribe this channel, and hit the bell icon for getting the latest notification about CUET 2022 admission process. Thanks a lot. All the best for your career. All the best for CUET 2022.